Here we go, guys. Real quick look at Solana. Is it a buy? Is it a hold? Or is it a sell? Right now, it's pretty weak in the market, I would say. Okay. First of all, we're under the 20, but going back in time, let's go and break this down. Had a nice little pullback here. First of all, back in October this year, had nice consolidation, finally broke out and over the 20 and the 200. That's very bullish, very positive for an asset. Doesn't matter if it's a crypto stock, whatever. Had a little run up, pullback, back test in back into that zone, as you see here. Let me draw this line: resistance, resistance. Then we pulled back, resistance over here, resistance here. We couldn't get over. Finally did. There was your confirmation candle. Came back, back tested that area, broke out here. That bullish engulfing clearing takeout candle, because we cleared, the candles to the left. Confirmation here. Plus we closed up and over this last high pivot. The pivot just a 180, reversal in price. Ran up, did our little consolidation zone here that we love so much, basically inside bar. See that green line? Okay, let me take all that off. If you don't know what you're looking for, or if you can't identify it, it just looks like a bunch of, price action in a small area, which is exactly what it is. That's what we look for, because price is then, trapped in that little zone. You just sit on your hands and wait for confirmation, because it can only go one of two ways, up or down. Confirmation there. Now, this red dash line, and why we couldn't keep going, is over on the left-hand side of the chart on the weekly. Okay, let's take a look at that. Now, this is the Coinbase chart here for Solana. As you can see, going way back to October of 2021, we had a high pivot here. And the further away these double tops, high pivots, low pivots, whichever one they may be, the further away they are, the stronger they are. Okay, you would think the further away it wouldn't have a as big of effect on price, but it does. Okay, so anyways, go back to the daily. Pull in here a minute. And anyway, of course, the whole market's been weak, here lately, last few days. But once Solana, see, there's so many things I'm seeing here that I want to point out. I'm, getting talking over myself. Okay. Anyway, pull back into the 20. That's a 20 hold. Real nice candle here. I mean, I would have even co-signed, getting in on this candle. Of course, we always have to have your stop loss in place. Consolidated through here and then broke down and then never could get back up and over the 20. And of course, the whole market has been, a little weak in that area. Then had a big drop. Okay. So what are we doing now? Well, we came down to that whole round even number, 214, and closed there, held. But as you can see, if I can draw a straight line here, we came back into this previous support zone here, meaning we didn't have, follow through the downside. We broke to the upside. Okay. So that helps. He had, several factors here to help price. Okay. So you got to be able to locate, the chart is just like real estate. You want to find the most prime area, the best position on the chart for price. And of course, as we say, location, location, location. All right. So that had several factors to help price. And then we had, the breakout candle here, the event that reversed the trend. Trend was to the downside, really from way up here to the downside. Okay. Now, what do we got to do to confirm a breakout, to confirm positive price action? As simple as it is, we got to get above, 240, really. Okay, right in here. Now, we teach our traders, you could have gone in here, a little bit, because that's potentially a reversal candle. This tweezer play here has, a little bit of something to do with it. But if you normally go in, like 10% of whatever your, risk capital is over here in this pie. Okay, if you normally go in 10%, maybe go in 5% here, since we're under the 20, which is a little bit, bearish. So do about half, and that way, if it does break out, at least you know you're in the game. You got a little skin in the game, and you're ready to go. But up here, all these wicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's real bearish, and we never got follow through here. Okay, even to be honest with you, even I would have gotten faked out, stopped out here because we didn't get that continuation, which you normally do in a bull market with an asset that's being bullish within that bull market. Okay, so it takes two to tango, so to speak, here, the market and the asset that you're in. So anyway, Solano, it should do great. None of this is, of course, financial advice. Only thing I know is I know nothing at all. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the chart.